Today we're going to go through how to use this drain valve, this type of drain valve. So what you want to do is you want to grab it to start draining your spot, pull it all the way out. As you see, that's how it works. You want to pull it out. If you get stuck, you can use pliers, just be careful. You'll be able to pull the unit out all the way till it's about 2.5 inches out. There's two positions here. All the way out is closed, so no water is going to drain. When you push it in, so it's about flush there, it's open, and then when you push it all the way back, it's closed again. So the idea is you pull it all the way out so you can access it with a garden hose. Take your cap off, put your garden hose on easily. Right onto the unit, okay? And when you're ready to drain, you push this in. It'll start to drain. Once your unit has finished draining, pull it back out. Remove your garden hose. Cap back on. You can push your unit back in so it's flush. You might get a little water leaking out there. That's just temporary, well, because there's a little water left in the pipe, and then it seals itself back up. If you do find that this cap is rotating, you may need to take off the panel, get in behind to tighten it up. There's a little washer washing nut on the inside. You want to tighten that one up so that the unit doesn't spin like that. That's how you use the drain valve.